Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, I'm sure everybody's watching the weather, looking out your window. Depending where you are here in the United States, we got quite a few storms, we got some bad weather, snow, ice, all kinds of fun times falling from the sky out there. But the big issue could be flight delays. There's been thousands and thousands of flight cancellations. If you have any flights booked, particularly if they are going to your cruise ship or even home from your cruise ship, definitely keep an eye on your airline reservations. Make sure your flight isn't delayed, canceled, or going to create you some kind of other issue to prevent you from either getting to your ship or getting home. Don't want anybody to miss their cruise over this current weather situation. Celebrity Cruise Lines, well, they're introducing a new program called Hotels by Celebrity. So Celebrity already has Flights by Celebrity, where when you book your cruise, you can also book your flight to and from the cruise port. Well, now they're also going to add the option for you to book 4 and 5 star hotels to stay at before and after your cruise, to go along and kind of streamline the entire vacation process, give you the ability to book it all together, all at the same time, so you can get your airfare, you can get your hotel, you can get your cruise all in one spot. And passengers will have the option to book 4 and 5 star hotels at a discounted rate. Now, for right now, this is only going to be for Celebrity Cruise Lines, but if this is something that works out, they also say it could be made available to the entire Royal Caribbean family. And it doesn't exactly specify, how much the discount's going to be, how much money are you going to be able to save by booking through Hotels by Celebrity. But it definitely would be an easy option to simply, like I said, get your hotel, get your airfare, get your cruise. It's all booked under one location, one spot. Particularly, if something happens, you're unable to make the cruise, some type of emergency, at least you wouldn't have to go to multiple spots in order to make cancellations. You pay at one spot, you get refunded from one spot. Now, for those that were hoping to sail on the inaugural voyage of the Disney Wish, unfortunately, we do have some bad news. Due to Omicron cases and issues that they've had at the shipyard with it, construction on the Disney Wish has been delayed, and it looks like the inaugural sailing is going to be pushed back at least 6 weeks. The first sailing was originally scheduled to be in early June, but now it looks like they are estimating that the initial sailing is going to be pushed back until July the 14th. And a pause in Disney Wish bookings been put into place until February the 8th to give them a little bit of time to kind of lock this down and get a much better timeline to exactly when the Disney Wish may be able to sail. I said right now it is just an estimation of being July the 14th, as long as the current construction project can keep moving forward and they can actually get the Disney Wish built, floated out, her sea trials done, and ready to go on time. All passengers that were booked on the Disney Wish for those initial sailings, well, they should have already received an email letting them know of their options to move to a new cruise sailing date at a 50% off discount, receive future cruise credit, or cancel their cruise altogether, whichever situation works the best for them. And I know people are always excited for a brand new ship and ready to get out there for that initial sailing, and it will still happen. It's just going to be delayed by 6 weeks. And hopefully the shipyard gets back on track and we get the Disney Wish out there, done and ready to go. All right, I hope everybody has enjoyed today's news video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.